Hi all, today we will see like how we can update an object array. So in my earlier videos you could have seen how you can update an array, but now it's time for updating an object array. So let me create an manually triggered flow, update object array. So I'll just quickly move to the old designer. I'll just initialize my variable. So initialize variable where we'll hold it as object array. So our variable name would be object array. So now if you could see here, I'm just going to put a field called ID and the another parameter called name. So let me just quickly copy paste and have some other elements as well. So this is like key value pair, ID and name. So ID1, ID2, where it says DJ, and ID3, where it says Mia. So now let's say over the time we are interested to change this name parameter from Vian to, let's say, Abhishek. So I'm only interested to change this specific thing, this ID number 3, this parameter, this item in this whole objective. So to do so, we can again use a very interesting block, that is select block. So here is the select block, and firstly we will select the array which you want to modify and simply switch map to text mode. And here it's a very simple formula. So just put expression and just have a look at this. So firstly, in the select block, whenever we are iterating through each element, we are interested to operate on a specific item. For example, in this object array, we are interested to modify this item with ID 3. So now I'll just simply go to expression, and if I'll write a if condition. So if equals, so now if item, so item will give you the current item of that array. So in this item, I want the parameter of ID equals to 3. So once it's equals to 3, we have to use a function called set property. So I'll just close the parenthesis. Set property. So if you could see, set property expects object, then the property of that object, then the value with what you want to get it replaced. So basically, our object is nothing but the item, the current item, and then it's the property. So my property which I want to get modified is the name. Then with what is the new value, I want to update that with Abhishek. So this is the set property, and if it's not equal to ID3, then let it be as it is, that is the item. So here is formula ready. Now I'll just hover over here, and you can just have a look on this again. So it clearly says like if the item equals to, I mean, the property ID for that item is 3. If so, then we are updating with set property of that current item for parameter name with Abhishek, or else just leave it as an item. Okay. So now, as soon as you get this updated, you have to set the variable with the select output. So now let me show you. This is my array 1, 2, 3, and the third element. This is third element named Vian. I am converting that to Abhishek with the select property. Now let's see what happens. Let me save this and test this. Okay, the flow has ran. Let me show you one by one. So this is my object array with ID 1, 2, 3, and their names, respective names. Now I'm coming to select block. This is the input I'm providing, and the output is like 1, 2, 3, boom. So the 3 is still with Vian. It hasn't updated to Abhishek. So if I see the output, it hasn't updated to Abhishek. Let me check what's wrong here. Let me again revisit this formula. So it says if item equals to, yeah, there it goes. So basically, all the IT properties are string, if you could see over here, and I'm just comparing it with a number value. So I'll just convert this to string. I'll hover it back and show you again. So it's like simply the tree I have converted to string. Now let me quickly test. So I just ran the flow. It says that it has run successfully. Let me quickly check again. So this is my input array. This is the input I'm providing to select, and output has converted to Abhishek. If you could see, the input is Vian, and for this third element, I have converted to Abhishek. This the output whatever I'm getting in the select block. I'm just again resetting that object array variable, and the updated array is with name Abhishek. So that is all you have to do. Thank you so much for watching this video, and do subscribe my channel for further updates and such kind of videos. Thank you so much. Have a great day.